Hello everyone, today we are learn small letter alphabet A to Z with color names. So let's start. Orange color, pink color, blue color, white color, is pink color, yellow color, gray color, red color, dark green color, black color, light green color, purple color, brown color, sky blue color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Light green color. A. A for apple. A for apple. Sky blue color. B. B for banana. B for banana. Brown color. C. C for cat. C for cat. Red color. D. D for doll. D for doll. Orange color. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Light green color. F. F for fish. F for fish. Sky blue color. G. G for goat. G for goat. Brown color. H. H for hen. H for hen. Red color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Orange color. J. J for joker. J for joker. Light green color. K. K for kite. K for kite. Sky blue color. L. L for leaf. L for leaf. Brown color. M. M for mango. M for mango. Red color. N. N for nail. N for nail. Orange color. O. O for orange. O for orange. Light green color. P. P for pencil. P for pencil. Sky blue color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Brown color. R. R for rose. R for rose. Red color. S. S for strawberry. S for strawberry. Orange color. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Light green color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Sky blue color. V. V for fan. V for fan. Brown color. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Red color. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Orange color. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Light green color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.